Hello dear children, I hope you all are fine. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the question answers of the chapter Dashrath Manji the Mountain Man. In this video, we'll discuss part B given on page 97. And please remember you have to do these questions in your fair notebook. Let's begin. So, our first question is what did Dashrath do as a teenager to earn his livelihood? So, before leaving his city or village, what he used to do? So, Dashrath began working as a woodcutter when he was a teenager. Okay, we have already discussed in our chapter. Okay, Dashrath began working as a woodcutter to earn his livelihood. Question number 2. What had caused the death of Falguni Devi? So here you have to write how she died. Okay, what was the reason of her death? So we have read in the chapter a fall from the hill while she was going to give food to her husband, okay, had caused the death of Falguni Devi. A fall from the hill while she was going to give food to her husband had caused the death of Falguni Devi. Okay. Question number 3. Why did Dashrath's father and the villagers oppose his resolution? And you know the meaning of resolution, its meaning is decision. Okay. So Dashrath's father and villagers opposed his resolution because they thought that the plan would not work. Okay, they thought that it was an impossible task and the plan would not work. So these are the hints. You can add your own points also. What were the two feats he performed in his lifetime? So, do you know the meaning of the word feat? Feat means the act of completing a very difficult task. Okay, to do a difficult task. So you have to write down two difficult tasks that were performed by Dashrath Manji. So your answer would be he performed two feats in his lifetime. First one is he created or he constructed a passage in the hillock. And the second one is he traveled to New Delhi on foot. Okay, he traveled to New Delhi on foot for 3 months to ask the administration for assistance. And finally, government also agreed to help him. Okay, government helped him in making a passage and helped him in establishing a dispensary. So this is your answer. Question number 5. How was he honored after his death? So you can just read the last part of your chapter again and you can find out answer of question number 5. Okay, I'm giving you hint here. So first one is in 2006, Bihar government proposed central government to confer Padma Shri, an award given to civilians for exemplary social work. Okay, so in 2006, Padma Shri award was given to Dashrath Manji by central government. This is your first point, and you are not supposed to write it point wise, you have to write in paragraph form. Okay, second one is a documentary, Bollywood movie, and two Kannada movies were also made on the life of Dashrath Manji. Okay, and in 2011, what did Bihar government do? In 2011, Bihar government named the road going through Gehlor Mount as Dashrath Manji Path. Okay, so these points have been given in the last paragraph of your chapter. You can read your chapter and then you will be able to find the answers easily. Okay, so these are the 5 questions. You are supposed to write these answers in your fair notebook. I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care.